You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression. If you want to learn more confusing words and vocabulary that is confusing in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. British English pronunciation, top tier, top tier, top tier. American English pronunciation, US, how to pronounce top tier, or top tier. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.